the artwork where one of our viewers give you, now come monitor for today. You will take me the round one when I don't finish it, or you see stay on it. Before you take me the round one, Mr. Mono, the art man, where to go later if you want to patronize you to this our channel, particularly you want to give this job.
I will tell and say by our way say, okay, the man try, and God will bless her with giving this big work. So now whenever I see give him one, I see try, man, I see look work, we see do. And at least the man try to give person this type of work. It's not easy. So okay, thank you for the way to see give me this work.
Our viewer, I beg, may we now visit our website. The link on top of this video. Mr. Monday, you take me around the work when you do here. I want where we start.
The front, most start like this go.
Okay, this side will be the front.
Yes, the front of the house. So now duplex.
Okay, now duplex.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you see now, we work this now the cap we run. We all the stone direct finish.
Okay. This one where them your boys is that the cap.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We won't finish the cap. Once we finish the cap and that the time we're there, and so we don't finish everything.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, bros. Yeah.
What kind of design be this one the so?
Now plain design.
Plain design.
Then we see
direct
that,
or
now this one are precast.
okay,
Now the pillar so now be direct.
Okay, the pillar might be
Direct.
might be direct.
Yeah.
Okay, the window now
Now
precast.
precast, yes.
Which kind of design we see for that center there?
This one
for
are,
this way big pillar this one.
this one are light balls. We won't put ties.
Okay, light balls.
Yes.
Okay. What's up with here?
So inside here too, once you put ties here too.
Where?
Yeah, now one put ties for here.
Okay.
One put ties for here. Then this one we do up so now see design. If you check on this one we touch for asset. Now we do one. This one we touch the asset too.
Okay, now you do one.
Yes. So just we don't want to pin see follow up. So this one are the bottom betting.
Okay, this one will be the bottom betting.
The house get up and down betting, but the all betting get design the whole people inside.
Okay, this up one will be the up betting.
Yeah.
When I see me near parapet. So.
Yeah. Then this one the bottom betting.
Okay, this one will be the bottom betting.
The back over tight to the wire.
Now the how do they call them? Pokoro when
The
it
bamboo they use to climb, they go the fix and for up.
okay. So we go suffer the pass the bamboo when we know pokoro.
The boko no raw.
Oh, gently.
Softly. Gentle abeg. The place
It's tight.
Softly. Another one dey front.
I know. I say shit. Okay. I am where I've been down.
The place tight well. So you might try. You use bamboo frame and wear.
Okay for now.
May let us because some people now they build the frame. The frame small. They say go climb up.
Okay.
Well, they will couple person on risk.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm follow you. This is Pokori area block. You follow me small small.
Yes, I do with you.
Okay. So our viewers, the way we went to the pass here. You know, small because here it be like jungle.
Jungle. That's what the bamboo. The carpenter you do a man something. You know you cut the wood according to the person feel the pass.
Yes. Where does record this design so?
This one are arc down. The arc and pillar with the up.
Okay, arc
and pillar.
Arc and pillar with the up. Okay.
Now two.
Move so fast.
Face arc. And face to face arc.
Okay, so on the window.
This one,
Okay, we'll go.
and this another view of the house too.
Okay, on that view side.
So this one are the all betting.
Betting.
All betting with wages. Now we put for inside.
Okay.
Then here I can go double arc there.
Okay, double arc.
Inside here they will put light with ties
Okay.
for inside here. So now I made enough plaster around. So we put one for up, put one for down. They won't put design ties, all those breeze ties for here.
Okay, breeze ties.
At the same time they go use to design this bottom.
Okay, this bottom.
Yeah, the design there they will see design here. Design side this
Design.
light was all this one.
Okay.
So inside that middle now the light will there. So now we see do this parapet too.
Okay, now you see do this parapet.
Yes.
Wow.
We see do this parapet.
Wow. Any other work you see you want to for inside?
One dining pillar.
Okay, dining pillar.
The very that board nourish.
Okay, now you do this design.
Yes.
Wow.
Two pillar, one ladies one ladies four.
Okay. Go outside.
I'll do the parapet. This one for the security house.
My people, Mr. Mode the Atman will take me around where for to work here. And small, I remember when you go to do everything for here. So, Mr. Mode, one window now, how much?
One window now. I beg una because they price us every day now. I know as things they hard for Benin now. One window now, I beg una. One big window. Na design o, na play design o. As far as na design wey person fit do. As far as na design wey person fit do, one window now na 6,000 naira for one window, one big window like this now.
Okay.
Then the small windows, e dey the other corner. Might show you.
Like the toilet one.
The toilet one.
The toilet,
that one na 4,000. They know they remove money.
Okay, 4,000.
Yes, the big window na 6,000 because some of them go don't watch our video finish. They will begin they price us.
Okay.
They price us again because the way things be. And two, if una won't give us work, if una don't watch our video,
Yes.
I beg, mona see the if una want go see una house, una want to work am according to flat. Mona see the assist us for transport.
Okay, for the transport.
Yes, at least Mona they assist us for transport because some of them don't watch our video finish. They say they get work for so place, they won't give their brother number, their sister number. Mona try. Mona see they assist us for transport. 5,000 not too big, 10,000 not too big. At least you go reach us until they say follow or go check on our work because some of them will go don't go with our own money before 30,000, 15,000 till go the journey. But we don't come back, don't tell them the price. Say this window and 6,000 be the window. They can't begin the price. Maybe our agreement not call work. At the end of the day, before you go no call them, they say they don't get it. Their brother way they there, don't they in charge, they don't carry the work, give them a good car on that person. I bet before now call us, window na 6,000 naira. Then this overhead pillar, which is tower pillar. Now direct you want do like this. Now because you want one, now 140,000 for one. like
140,000.
yes,
Okay.
for one like this. Then direct you want one more. Now because you need that more. Anyone you need that 140 for overhead pillar.
Okay.
Then all those tiny pillar we do so.
What you do just now?
Do I do now? One na 30,000 naira.
Okay, 130.
30,000 naira for one pillar.
Okay, for the betting.
The betting so this house big so this house na length of about 4 house.
Yes.
The down na 150.
Okay.
The up na 150. Last.
Okay. Down 150.
Up 150. Wetin make we do the down? The up 150 because the wall big.
Okay.
And normal. This thing wey stand on your own so wey stand so you know dey the your bet you know that another design. That one so on your own na 80,000 on your own.
80,000. That one that's a cross.
Yeah, it's wey cross am so on that one on your own but the betting na 150.
Okay.
Then this frame down to the up window. Now window that you want use but we call your woman cancel and from up to down na 80,000 be this thing.
Okay, 80,000.
Yes, this thing now wey they take frame down.
Frame when you do so.
Then each of this arc wey they see so na 80,000 for arc.
Okay.
For arc. We be like saying na street but if na V own or any other shape own na 10,000. So I beg una in case as una watch our video too na wan give us work.
Okay, maybe na wan send una go site. Okay, maybe they support una with a transport. Okay.
Or you calculate according to as you watch for video one window 6,000. One long pillar like this 140. Then you own 30,000 which is more pillar.
Okay.
And this parapet wey dey here so
the
this
parapet.
one equivalent of self-contained parapet now 200,000 we take
okay, 200 to do this one.
We dey do this one.
Okay.
So
Mr. Monday, some of you I don't hear you. Like how many bag of cement?
wetin we use for this parapet?
Okay, for this parapet, how many bag?
We use 10 bag take mold am. Use 10 bag take fix am.
Okay, 10 bag mold, 10 bag fix. What about this?
Why this one so? We will use about 30 bags take mold. We go use about 20 bags. They fix everything we remain. So everything we use for here now 50 bags. Okay. And our duplex.
No, this one. That's making 70 bags.
Now
but how many triple sound they give you?
What did they give us now? 2 triple sound.
2 in 1 be 4 in 1.
What will they give us now? 2 in 1.
Okay, 2.
2 in 1. And the 2 other thing for sound where the trust mate I want to let una know. Because the sound when the man break on here good. Now make this mate reduce to that stage.
Okay.
If you want give us stand, may give us sound where like say you know carry pieces of mud I for like describe and give you.
Okay. You did it?
Yes. Because it gets on sand where they get pieces of mud.
Okay, that one the shops mate where?
They just made and they crack.
Okay.
You see this thing where they are so nice and sandy day. If you sound so
but this one
all this one not good.
Okay.
You sound so they carry mud like white something. Anywhere this thing meet for artwork, you go crack it. They sound.
Yes.
So if you now won't give us sand, if you now won't give us smooth, make you not get pieces of mud, or when I give us semi-sharp.
Okay.
And the sharp sand will be semi-sharp, not be another sharp. Semi-sharp.
Okay, semi-sharp.
White one.
Okay.
And the sand when I will give us, you not get nothing in my hand. The thing stay me.
Yes.
No matter how you go mold this, you miss this thing. Now so you go be if you mold your artwork finish those area. If you don't fix and go they crack.
Okay, call the crack when they show like cracking.
Yeah, you go come show like crack. Now this thing most of them they cost and too. So and two, when I try at least if now fix armor can finish for window. Mostly this all this window now, latest window where they range.
Frameless.
Frameless. When I try they use bricklayer. Whole way they between the window and the frameless. Now man they use smith, carry bricklayer, man they use smith they fill.
Okay, they fill.
So that in future you not go they get anything like either pulling or any other thing.
Okay. Thank you. So you will...
And two, for some of them would not get to they get argument about. If I won't give us work, then I get our shovel, and I get our smith, get our sand, our water. Even though the farm won't go use, then I get her bandy wire, and I get her, and then I get her. That one our money. But if I say that one more carry everything together, we'll calculate everything. We'll tell how much we'll take one. But this 6,000 so, and I will give us knee. Give us bandy wire, give us table. Or that thing I see table, you don't see work finish like this. When they give you table, take climb. They now do table for you.
Okay.
So all those things them, when I try
all that one they are among when I take the work.
Yeah, we'll take the work.
May they provide them for now.
Yes.
Okay. You will call your phone number when our viewer to reach you.
My number is 070 60 67 68 83.
On that one day?
No.
My people, I Christian for the time I want to watch this video.